Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sarayum. Today's subject is design and analysis of algorithm. First unit. First topic is algorithm. It is a process of step-by-step doing method for set of values. In case of algorithm, taking input values, output values, and other three concepts is known as algorithm. It is a step-by-step process and it ended at a finite number of steps. Algorithm takes some values. It will take some values or set of values as input and it will give output values. It has 5 properties. It will take input, output, definiteness, finiteness, effectiveness. These are 5 important properties of algorithm. Input is the value. 0 or more number of values should be given to the algorithm, like giving some input values. Input A value, input B value, and adding the value C equals to A plus B. Then after we will give the process as a display the result. Then it will display the result as output. Definiteness is the instruction. Lines of code is known as instruction in an algorithm should be specific and it should be clear. Finiteness, it is a process of a finite number of steps for doing the process. Effectiveness is the possibility of every step in an algorithm should be feasible. Example of algorithm. Write an algorithm to perform addition of two numbers. Step 1. Taking the input value as A and taking the input value another input B. Adding the inputs two numbers A and B by taking C equals to A plus B. Then we will give it as a print. Then it will return the value. It will display it as output. It will ask the A value. For example, it will give 5, B value 2, C equals to A plus B. Then it will print as a 7. That is the output. These two are inputs. Flowchart. It is the graphical method by using some symbols. Start and stop will be represented by this symbol. Processing state or assignment is represented with parallelogram. Transition state, it is denoted with a rectangle. Input and output is represented by this symbol. Conditional statements, we will represent it as a rhombus shape. These are the symbols we use for graphical representation in case of flowchart.